Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to this 2014 Aston Martin V12 Vantage S Roadster. So this is an October registered car, so it's a 2014 64 registration car. It's actually a 15 model year, so a 2015 model year car, so it was built late in 14 as opposed to earlier. Now let's do a little tour of V12 Vantage S and a bit of an overview. Now, if you're not familiar with this car, it is a wonderful combination of our largest engine in our smallest body. So moving down to the business end of the vehicle, it has under this rather wonderful bonnet with carbon louvers a 565 brake horsepower naturally aspirated V12, which sounds absolutely fantastic, particularly with its rear muffler exhaust that was derived from the 177, so it makes a wonderful noise. So there's reason number one for why a V12 Vantage S is special. Reason number two is it has the most fantastic chassis. So Vantage was designed as a roadster first, and then we put a roof on it, so it's enormously rigid, gives fantastic feedback, and that combined with lovely hydraulically driven power steering, and our fastest steering rack gives the most direct handling on the VH platform. So it's a lovely steer. The next thing I can say about it is it has these wonderful carbon ceramic brakes. You might be able to see behind the front wheels, they can only just about fit behind these wheels. These brakes are not only enormously powerful, they're lighter than standard brakes, they're full of feel, once again, that word feel, that feedback and sensation, and rather pleasingly, carbon ceramic brakes do not create brake dust in nearly the same amount as a standard car. So overall, we have an extremely high performance car. It's easy to forget just how quick this car is. So it does 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds, 3.9 seconds, and it's capable of over 200 miles an hour, so 201 miles an hour top speed. With the roof down, might be worth knowing, it will do a mere 195, so a massively capable car. So let's have a look at some of the details of this particular vehicle. So the colour itself is carbon ceramic grey, or I should say just ceramic grey. You might be able to pick up on the colour possibly in this light, but it has a very high metallic grade, so it's very sparkly when the light hits it, but a great Aston colour, so a lovely sort of gunmetal grey, but has this life to it, and that complements really well with the features on a V12S. So first of all, clear rear lamps, this carbon rear diffuser here. As we come round, let's just look at the condition as we go as well. So these are these alloy wheels are forged alloy wheels, and they've got the black inserts, so they look really good. Interestingly, on a rear arch, typically you would see that is an area which is prone to stone chipping because it's kind of got these broad shoulders, but that's in very good condition. And then coming down the car, again, paintwork's all in very good condition. Front wheels are perfect. And you get, on a V12S, you get black headlamp bezels here. You might be able to see them behind the glass, but that just gives the car a bit more of a meaner look. And this has the optional carbon fibre front grille surround, which goes very well with the front splitters there. You can see the parking sensors poking out for the front. So coming around this side again, I should point out whilst we're looking at the front end of the car, I mean, it is really stone chip free. So you know, this isn't a front end that is peppered with chips. It's in lovely condition. Over to the passenger side again, perfect wheel. These mirrors fold electrically, so that's quite handy if you've got tight garage access space or you're parking in a tight space. Checking the arch again on this side, again, that's in very good condition. See the tiniest of chips there, just almost nothing. So yeah, remarkably good there. And then the rear wheel, again, in perfect condition. So the roof down, you get these lovely speed humps. It's a black hood that the car has as part of this spec, which goes very well with ceramic. Looking at the interior. So, first of all, you've got grey inserts in the leather, which matches to the outside, and then this piano black door pulls. And that matches the centre of the dashboard, which is also piano black, which is often known as the central ski slope. To go with these grey inserts, there's a silver stitch, and then finally black Aston logos on the headrests. You might be able to make out, but just behind these seats you've got a bit more storage space, and then a coat hook as well, so people pop soft luggage there, and then rather useful storage in between the seats as well as into the armrest. So the car has got, rather than a traditional key, it's got a glass key that goes through into the centre console. It's a thing of beauty. And this has got an Aston Martin premium audio, so you've got great sound quality. Importantly, not only have you got full electric seats with memory, but you've got heated seats as well, which is always a must with the roof down. And then it's got this 7-speed automated manual gearbox. Now, if you haven't tried it, it is fantastic fun, hugely involving. It's designed to be driven on the paddles, but you have a drive mode there as well. But it's a really engaging place to spend time. So there we have a really fantastic conditioned V12 Vantage S Roadster. This car will be supplied with 12 months warranty, Aston Martin warranty, and 12 months MOT. Now, it's available to reserve on our website at hwmastonmartin.co.uk. We can provide contactless delivery for you as well. But should you have any questions, do give us a call, and thank you for watching.